Hello, my people. I am Peter, and this is Caleb from
Hi,
Lazy. What's up, dude?
hi Peter.
So we made a couple of posts last week on Twitter about how people have to be careful with coding tools online. Lots of people seem to be paying for stuff and then not getting value. So today we want to actually do a little comparison video between Lazy AI, which is the coding tool that we built, and Bolt to see how it's going to go. So we're going to do some random side by sides. I'm going to build some stuff on Bolt. Caleb's going to build some stuff on Lazy and see how far we get. Yeah.
Let's go.
All right. The first thing that I wanted to do is actually quite simple. So we have our logo right here. And I would like to make a mosaic out of it, kind of like on WhatsApp you have like the background, yeah, because we're covering it with our head. So let's see if we can do this on
Okay.
Lazy and on Bolt. Here's Bolt, and Caleb's gonna
And
start at the
here is
same.
Lazy.
All right. So for Lazy, you want to go to getlazy.ai.
Yep.
AI. All right. I'll leave it on Caleb's screen, and then we'll switch back and forth while I'm building as well.
Okay. So when you start, I want to create a web page.
We should
So
probably
should
start.
this
We
be
should
should it
probably
be an
start
image?
similar way. So I'm putting like I want to make a WhatsApp like wallpaper.
Okay. A WhatsApp like wallpaper.
I'll upload an image, and you make a downloadable wallpaper out.
So I feel like we have to mention that the wallpaper has the repeating image.
Okay. So WhatsApp like wallpaper with repeating image.
Yeah. So the image repeats several times in a grid-like pattern.
Okay, I need to sign up again with a different account.
Okay. So while you're doing that, I'm just going to send this prompt.
Okay, so Bolt, I apologize, but I noticed you mentioned uploading an image. However, in this environment, I cannot directly handle image uploads to create downloadable files. But I can help you create a WhatsApp-like wallpaper using CSS that mimics style of what's. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, but that's not what I want to do. But I want to upload my image.
What Lazy said instead was like, based on your requirements, I believe we'll need a web interface where users can upload an image, see the generated grid/town wallpaper, download the new wallpaper. Here are some starting points to choose from, and it's given me a bunch of selected starting points, like a web app without login and a blank HTML template. I'm just going to go for this one because it says top recommendation. So I'll start with this one and let's see. So instead of just going straight into building, Lazy confirms that the requirements are correct. It gives an acceptance criteria that says users can upload an image file. The uploaded image is displayed in a preview, and then it's repeated in a grid pattern to create a wallpaper, which is exactly what I want. And it seems to be good. So I'm going to click here to say, sounds good. Let's build it.
Okay, let's go back to Bolt for a second. So I went and I said, but I want to upload my image. It said, okay, I'll have to create a component that you upload an image and create repeating wallpaper from it. The image will be handled client-side with file reader API. Okay, let's see. Upload image. Download wallpaper. Let's see. Yep, it made the mosaic. How are we doing there?
Loading. And it should be done, so let's try it out. Wallpaper maker, image to tiled wallpaper generator. Opening the home page, uploading an image, clicking generate wallpaper, viewing both the original and generated images. Okay, so I'm sharing this image, choose image, let's click there. And let me choose this lazy eye logo and generate wallpaper. Original image, generated wallpaper, and it's also made the mosaic. And now I can download this wallpaper. And now it's on my computer. I wonder if I could share this window. Can I share it?
I think it's fine. Let's just, what
It's
should
fine
we,
with the
let's
preview.
try to change this app. What's the next step here? So for example, on mine, see how this picture got squeezed?
Yeah. Let
Um,
me pick one that should get squeezed and see what happens with this.
but I'm gonna say, but the original picture wasn't square. So figure
Oh,
that
mine
out.
doesn't squeeze them as a square. It just creates a grid, so mine always stays. Okay, so mine, have you seen mine already?
Let's see. Oh, nice. Indeed.
Okay, let me try and modify it to make it a square, like, because you're kind of trying to make non-square images.
Wait, what happened? Now it's, hold on. Now they used to have something else in the back. Changed. Let's see. Okay, I think it did it, but it's all messed up. It's like the grid's not right. Do you see how there's like white between it?
Yeah, but
Do you want to use the same picture that I used? I'm gonna send it on Slack.
yeah, okay, let's see. Okay. So mine does this.
Yeah, so your grid's right. Let's switch back to my thing. I don't know what it did. It did something. I have to choose the pattern size now. I don't know what the hell that means. Okay, completely changed. All
Okay.
right, cool. Well, let's go in a different direction. Whatever. Let's say that this is fine. Okay. Uh, say
Whoa! I was looking at my screen, but wait, what?
save the images so I can have a history of my uploads and re-download the wallpapers.
Okay. I'm gonna make that same prompt as well. but I actually just want to see if I can make non-square images square, just as a challenge. So
Let's
generated wallpaper. Oh yeah, it did make it square. It cropped it from the center, and now like even if it's a non-square image, it's always going to crop it to make it a square. And this is actually a perfect square.
nice.
Okay,
All right.
save a history of my
So
images so that I can see.
I'll send you the prompt.
Okay, waiting. Save the images so I can have a history of my uploads and re-download the generated wallpapers.
Okay, let's switch back here. So, okay, it added complete history, user authentication, log in with Google. You'll need to click to connect. You must be logged in to save and view history. Saves both. Okay, security, row level. Click connect to Supabase. Let's go.
Lazy said, added a your previous wallpaper section below. Each previous wallpaper shows a preview of the generated wallpaper, the date and time, and a download button. And I've got an error this time. It says URL for uploaded files undefined, and I've got to try to fix this error button. So let's see.
Just in the meantime, I don't know what's going on. Okay, so created something. Supabase migrations. Fine.
One moment.
Okay. I don't understand. So I can't click on the login to save your wallpapers. I can no longer download the wallpaper. What's going on? I can't click on download or log.
And let's see what's going on with me. Oh, I can already see my previous wallpapers. What? That's crazy. Like the previous ones I already uploaded, like from the first one I did. I get like I didn't even know, and I can let's see if I can download this one. Um, and yeah, yeah, I can. Oh wow. Okay, that's that's
Okay,
nice.
let's go back here. It's doing something. Fixing. Go Bolt. $110 million raised. And we're a team of 6 people. Show us what you can do. What? Well, it's
Potential problems detected.
still not clickable. Nothing's clickable. Some problem here. Attempt to fix. I see the issue. It's good that you see the issue because I'm not gonna read the code. Apply more changes to Supabase. Oh no, more issues.
The database migration has not been applied correctly. Womp womp.
Let's keep clicking. Oh no, it doesn't work. And there you go. So that's a fail. Take a break and be back with the next one that we'll do.
Yep.